Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable navigation bar, block, gestures with S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, and in quick settings panel tap on the settings icon, and then we go down and tap on displayed. Next, go down and tap on navigation bar. In here, we go down to the bottom and tap on block gestures with S Pen. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And this will prevent the S Pen from being used for navigation gestures. This helps when drawing or writing near the edges of the screen. So that can help you prevent touching or pressing on the button in the navigation bar while you are trying to draw near the edge of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.